Most people think Pinterest is just for recipes, home decor, and DIY ideas. But what if I told you it's also one of the most underrated ways to drive free traffic that can turn into real online income? The problem is, most beginners create Pinterest pins that never get a single click. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact process I use to create high-quality Pinterest pins from scratch using Canva, even if you've never designed anything before. You'll learn what makes a pin stand out, why some pins get thousands of clicks while others get ignored, and the simple design formula you can start using today. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create Pinterest content that attracts attention, gets saved, gets clicked, and helps build a Pinterest account you can actually monetize.
So, let's move forward.
First, you have to open the Canva app. You will see many options there, many templates you can use. So, simply go to Templates and write Pins. These are exactly what get posted on Pinterest. On Pinterest, the posts you see are called pins. I will show you how to make pins and viral posts. First, you have to choose a niche, what topic you want to make them on. Health, interior decoration, mental health, travel, online work, or healthy meals. For example, if you decide on healthy living, you have to make pins for that. I found a pretty good post here that I will change according to myself. Here you can see 4 different photos and 10 healthy breakfast ideas written. I will delete this and go to ChatGPT. I will ask ChatGPT to give me a trending topic related to a healthy lifestyle that people are searching for on the web. ChatGPT will give you some topics. 10 foods for gut health is quite good. I will change the text and paste my topic. I'll change the font and add elements. You can search for gut health or healthy food, and add free elements to make the pin as interesting as possible. Once it looks better, I will download it. Click on Share, then Download. Select JPG and save settings. Once clicked on Download, your image will be downloaded, and then you have to go to Pinterest and post this. Create your Pinterest account, click on Create, go to Pin, and upload the image we made. For the title, put 10 foods for gut health. For the description, you can ask ChatGPT for a good description for your Pinterest post. It will also give you hashtags.
Then just copy-paste it.
Add a link, like an Amazon affiliate link for a health supplement, and paste it. Choose a board or create one later. Tag topics like gut health, healthy lifestyle, healthy food, nutrition, and wellness tips. You can also add a product link.
Then publish it.
That's all you have to do. You can then check your profile and pins to see how your pin looks. This is how you can use Canva to create viral Pinterest pins. Try to make as many creative posts as possible. If you have any doubts, put them in the comment section. I will be happy to solve your queries. Bye bye, take care, and have an amazing day.